Welcome. Let's discuss pyManager. pyManager helps manage your code effectively. By 𝙤𝙦𝙬𝙚. With pyManager, break free from boundaries. Categorizes functions into direct, recursive, or unused for efficient review.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to present my new tool, pyManager. So what exactly this pyManager? Let us see. So at a times, as the project becoming bigger, it will be difficult to manage the number of modules and its relative functions. And for example, let us say this particular module may have like 41 functions, directly used functions. So other functions are like 20 functions, recursively used, and unused functions in this particular file is like 116. Let us say 200 plus functions when it is there. It will be difficult to track these functions and all. Like so, this is a supporting module, like a sub module. It has generic rig functions, whereas this is the main tool, like so auto human rigging tool. Let us say this particular module is used in this main tool. So in this case, how these functions are used, we can look at. So this is an interface where the display of functions are happening. So we can see that how each function, how many times it has been used. So these are directly used functions in this particular Maya file, a particular main module, that means main tool. So in this case we can see these are particular internal functions, like within this module. Some of these functions are used by these methods. That means these methods came from this category, like a directly used category. So again, these functions within these particular modules are using another required functions. So when we want to delete any particular functions and all from main tool, I think we want to move any particular functions, we need to see any dependencies are there or not. So in this case we can see these are the dependency relative functions within this module. Then we can see that direct and combined functions also we can see, total 62 coming around. Then we can see that so call history, like a format we can change it. Each function is used by different functions, like a name and distance, get vtx. They have used these a function called name. Then yes, these are things. Then we can see show call here hierarchy. Hierarchy we can see this way. So this format is changing. So once we are happy, so and we can export these formats, and we can see in Notepad also. So we can see that all these functions clearly we can see it over here. Then there are some other options available, like functions we can compare. So within these two files, any common functions by mistake we have added any. So missing means this particular function is not available in file B. So classes also we can compare. We can compare with variables also. So this is how in both the files any common methods are there or not, we can compare. So this is where we can see any dependencies are there, like this particular model, what kind of imports it is having, we can see that. In code metrics we can see like how code is written, like in terms of its relative metric, like number of classes, number of functions, number of lines of code, code duplication, etc. we can see over here. Then refactor comes over here. So we can see something like this. Then settings, we can go over here. So we can change the themes like blue theme, save settings. Okay, different themes we can go for and use it. Then let me load these themes. So yes, this is a nice blue theme. Then let me check another theme, yellow color theme. Yeah, that's it guys for today. Thank you for watching.
What you want?